Hey guys, it's Brenda OST. I just finished, well, yesterday I finished Muffler and Resonator delete on my car, and I'm gonna go for a quick little cruise so you can get what it sounds like cabin wise. Windows open, and then I'll do a window shut, and then I'll do another video with how it sounds from behind. But this is initial startup. Engine's cold right now. Don't mind the scooter. Raspy, little, but you can hear the turbo. It's fucking awesome. You can hear the turbo and just revs. This hasn't gone down yet. There it goes. Now we're done with our warm up. Gives you some nice pops and gurgles when you're downshifting to it. It's great. Sounds awesome. I've still got to get used to it. It's a little loud sometimes, like when you're romping on it, kind of ricey sounding. But this is a temporary thing for me. I was just looking for a little bit more sound until I actually got an actual system. So this is Resonator and Muffler delete, and just basically straight pipe. Because of the amount of traffic, it's going to be tough to hear everything. Plus the windows are down. I'll do a window up. I'm just going to go down the road here real quick and give it a quick gas. This is fourth gear. We're doing about 40 miles per hour, about 2,500 RPMs. When you're driving normally, I mean, it's loud, but it's not so loud that it's annoying. There's not too much drone in the back. I thought it'd be a lot worse than it is. It's really just when you get on it, which I will do right now, going onto the street if this car goes fast enough. Which he's not. He's going really slow for some stupid reason. See, when you get on it, it's a little rather raspy and kind of ricey sounding, Honda-ish, if you will. And I don't really like that too much, but it's, like I said, a temporary thing for me. Now, just for the hell of it, I'll roll my windows up so you can get an interior cabin sound. When you give it gas, it gets really loud. But what are you gonna do, man? If you wanted a quick sound for barely any money, I mean, you could just get a pipe and clamp it in if you really wanted to. I had a friend weld it in for me. I mean, that's basically it. It's a loud little sucker, but at certain RPMs it sounds good. Other RPMs it's just kind of absurd and obnoxious. But when I do finally go with an actual exhaust system, obviously it'd be much better, which I think I've decided on the MBRP, the stainless like catback. So when I get to that, it's gonna be when I get to that.